Hi dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session guys, we are learning on buying and selling, which is written by Khalil Gibran. So this is a poem guys. Actually this poem is converted into an easy summary for you all guys. So first of all, let's know about Khalil Gibran. As you know, as Khalil Gibran is an an American poet and artist. He writes poems and lessons. Okay, that is enough. Then you can tell about him. He had written a poem called On Children, which was you had also been learned in your second PUC. Okay, so he's the same author or poet who is describing this on buying and selling. Here, on buying and selling means in this poem, Khalil Gibran have described each and everything of the earth. Okay, basically, on buying and selling means what you are buying and what you are selling is very easy nowadays. Nowadays, you can just go to a shopping mall or a shop retail outlet and buy the product by giving money. Yes, by giving the money. But see, in what happened actually to produce a particular product, we require earth, land, we require a hard labor, farmer, and also we require a person who transfer or who avail these services. Here, in modern technology, each and everything had been done very easily to us. Yes, each and everything is available on our tips. But think about the other thing, how they produce, how hard work they do. So if they are getting the particular profit or what hard work he is doing, what hard work a particular farmer is doing, does he is getting that what he want is. See, he take a whole year to produce few crops. Then those crops are sold in very cheaper price. So this in the manner it tells that the hard worker is not getting the particular the outcome, the particular profit is not getting by that particular farmer. So this all description is there in the poem. The poem begins with a description of earth's prosperity and the fruits of earth. The prophet says that an earth yield her fruit to satisfy and recommend the merchant to know how to fill his hands. He says that it is an exchange of gift from the earth and one can be satisfied by understanding it. He also says if the exchanging is not with love and kindly justice, it will only lead to poverty and other problem. The earth is a prosperity, fruit, each and everything has been provided. But it doesn't satisfy the love and peace, then it will start with the poverty. As I said you guys, the farmer related only. He is doing the whole year, he work very hard, but then at last he get a cheaper price, he get a small portion of profit. And you may also see many the farmer sacrifice their life, they suicide. Why? Because they are not getting a proper food. Why they are not getting proper food? Because they are not earning more money by selling that particular crops. So they think of suicide because they are not able to repay their loan. So this all uppers. So that is only, see here, it says the gift from the earth one can be satisfied by understanding. It also says if the exchange is not with love and kindly justice, it will only lead to poverty and other problems. So the other problems of the farmers are very, very long list I have. So that then he glorifies the hard labor of the sea, farmers, weavers, potters, and the collector of spices who invoke the master sprites of the earth and sanctify the scale and the reconquering value against value. See, the pot making person, the weaver who make the cloth, the farmer who is building the crops, and so on. They are not getting a good price. So what happened here is they get more and more problems. Here, who is the middleman here? He earns more profit. For example, I am a middleman and your friend is a farmer. I just go and buy from cheaper price and I will give you in the higher price. So I get a huge profit, but the farmer gets a low profit. So this way of transferring the goods and service is inequality. He should get a proper, the outcome. Okay. In time, some of them, it may be the merchant who did not suffer and bearer hand takes part in your transaction and uses the words and equal for your label. Then you say, come with us to the field or go with your brother to sun and cast your net. So here what happened here is the merchandise he earned. As I said in an example, I am a middleman, I am earning lot. So here the poet want to say that the person who is working hard is not getting proper particular of profit, but a middleman is getting huge profit, and this thing is continuing. So here what happened here is, if the farmer is not getting a good, you just go with them and work. So this thing and all come. For the land and the sea shall be bountiful to you, even us to us. In this manner, the prophet magnifies the quality of nature and labor and then points out the corporate mindset. So finally, the corporate mindset have come here. Now, you see many huge malls, huge outlets, huge retail stores which are selling in the good prices, but they are not giving good price for the actual what they have received. Yes, so the corporate mindset. He says that maybe a singer, dancer and a flute player who would come there to buy their gifts. In fact, they together with fruit and frankness turn food for your soul. When you leave the marketplace, look there, no one is empty hand, all filled with their hands with the produce, the earth. Finally, Gibran glorifies the master spirit of the earth should not sleep peacefully without satisfying your needs. So this all comes to an side. Now let's speak about a singer, a flute, a musician, a person, a normal person. They go to the marketplace, fill their hands and enjoy. See, what the middle person is doing is a bad thing, but what a consumer is doing, that he feels very good that yes, I purchased this thing, I got species, I got wheat, I got bajra and so on, and I am enjoying it. So there, no one are in empty hand, all are filled with the hands. All are filled with the hands means all has a quantity of production. They are consuming it, and hence the poem has been described here. So the earth spirits, like earth is very happy that yes, some person is happy, someone. Let's come to the conclusion of this poem. The poem eclipses the modern state of buying and selling, though the idea, Gibran explains, the real quality of nature and hard labor and the state of merchandise. He justify through the prophet earth is really bountiful in satisfying the needs of all beings of the earth. So, this poem is very easy. Just you need to take the points just by heart or know the few lines of the poem. Just quote down, just write in your answers. That's it. You can score good marks. By explaining the story in your question on the answer sheet also, you may get good marks. So do well, and thank you for watching this video. We have covered all the poems, all the lessons of BCom first sem. If you have not seen those videos, just go and see in our playlist. And thank you for watching this video. If you like, then please have a thumbs up button on this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Top Education. Thank you.